Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how to use compost in containers. It's a little bit more than just amending your soil once and you're done. So I'm going to go over what I'm going to do. I'm getting ready to get a pot ready and what I do for my plants ongoing and when you should do it to your plants if you have containers. So that being said, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my videos every time I upload them. For those of you all who are new, welcome to the channel. Also, as a reminder, old and new channel subscribers, I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I usually give away quite a few YouTube nuggets, things we all need to know to grow our channel and to continue what we're doing in our garden as well. So I hope I'll see you there on Wednesdays. Please join my Facebook group, Container Crops. Follow me on IG and post some of your pictures and tag me to them. I really would like to see them. That's the Scaredy Cat Gardener on IG. Okay, guys, and one more tidbit. I have channel memberships. And with those memberships, you get special nuggets. That's all I'm going to say about that. Let's get busy.
Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
So I have chosen to use just natural and organic mushroom compost. It is the same brand of potting soil that I use that has been absolutely amazing. And this is the potting mix that I use. It has worked tremendously well. And for some reason, when I use this particular brand, I don't get many bugs, pests at all. So it's organic, it has worm castings, and it's good for in and outdoor plants. Okay, so this is the pot I'm getting ready to work with. I had other plants in here earlier. I'm all done with those now. So the first thing I want to do is just turn this soil over a little bit, kind of aerating it a little bit before I add my compost to it. Now the compost that I just showed you is what I'm going to be using. A little leaves still in there of different things. But I just put some into this because the bag is awful heavy, so I always put some in a container and bring out here with me and go back and get more if I need it. So just turn your dirt over, nothing fancy or anything like this. Now, usually you want to use 25%, at least 25% compost to your soil. Compost can be expensive, sometimes, depending on the brand you have. Now, this brand that I use only cost me $3.94, and I got it at Lowe's. So, or I shouldn't, that's $3.98, not $3.94, $3.98. So it's not expensive, but compost can be expensive if you're not composting and you don't have your own. So if you don't want to use a lot of compost and you're getting ready to plant right now, you would want to dig a hole right wherever you're going to put your plant and put maybe about 2 inches of compost down in there and then go ahead and plant as usual. But I'm going to be planting all over this pot. I am not going to put 25% in it, but I am going to put a good amount in it, and I'm going to mix it through thoroughly. am all done with this one. And now I'm going to take you over and show you what I do to my plants that are already planted and growing. Okay guys, we're going to head over to one of my containers, and I'm going to put compost in that. I want to say compost is no different than anything else. When you are gardening in containers, everything leaches out faster. When you water and as it rains, it's leaching out. Therefore, for containers, it's best if you add compost, a nice thin layer of compost, to the top of your soil once your plants get to be about maybe 3 or 4 inches tall. From there, you want to do it every single month throughout your entire growing season. You want to just add a small layer of compost on the top. Do not mix it in because you don't want to disturb any roots or anything like that. But as you water, it will leach. It will soak down into the soil. How about that? Okay. So this is a bed of mixed everything. Here's some red mustard greens. These are all onions. I have purple, yellow, and white onions in here. I have some bok choy in here, and I have some Swiss chard in here, and a few more things that haven't popped up yet. So you just want to take your compost and sprinkle it lightly all over your bed. It will leach. I cannot say that word today. It will soak into your soil. So don't rake in because you don't want to disturb anything. You're just adding these nutrients into it. You want to do this every month. So you want to make sure you're keeping a good journal. So you won't say to yourself, oh, did I do that last month? Or did I forget? Or anything of that nature. So I'm just sprinkling it around. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Kicked my tripod. Okay guys, we are all done. It's not hard, it's real simple, it's real easy, but very, very beneficial. So that's how I use compost in my container garden. So I hope you guys got something out of this. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share the video out. It helps me and it helps the algorithm. I hope to see you on Wednesday at 7. Bring a friend. That's the polite thing to do. And I will see you next time. Remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.